If you examine a wave moving in water, something is clearly moving from one side to the other. But what is it? If you look at the water molecules in the water, they're certainly moving, but there isn't any net movement of the water molecules from the left side to the right. For the most part, the water molecules are moving up and down, perpendicular to the direction the wave is propagating. So the water itself isn't moving from left to right. The thing that is propagating through the water is the state of the wave. Action potential propagation works much the same way. Just as it's possible to transmit a wave through water without any net movement of the water, it's possible to transmit information along an axon by propagating the state of depolarization down it, all without any net movement of any molecules or ions. So how does the neuron do this? So far, we've talked about how the balance between concentration gradients and electrical gradients produce the resting potential, which prime a cell for action. We've talked about how the action potential causes a rapid depolarization, producing a signal. Now let's talk about how the signal gets from point A to point B. Fundamentally, the process is a chain reaction. An action potential in one patch of membrane depolarizes the next region, which in turn fires an action potential. This in turn depolarizes the next region, which also fires an action potential. The process continues like a chain reaction. The signal propagates from the cell body to its target, which might be a muscle fiber or another neuron.